Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change currency on Bitget account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget wallet, which of course I have done right here. It's interesting to know that Bitget ranks the largest platform for cryptocurrency copy trading and the third largest exchange for crypto derivatives. It provides a comprehensive range of crypto services, including crypto-to-crypto trading, spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, copy trading, AI trading bots, and Launchpad. So now that we know about Bitget, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to change currency on the Bitget wallet. Now from your home page, which you're going to find right here, or which you're looking at straight away, head over to the top right corner of your screen, and you're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. You're going to find this, and this. So go ahead and move your cursor to your profile picture. Just move your cursor. Do not click on it. And here you're going to find this English and you're going to find this USD. So there are two ways to go about changing the currency. You can click on USD. Just go ahead and click on USD. I'll do that again. Move your cursor, click USD. So you're going to find a couple currencies, which we have here. So you have the USD, VND, IDR, you have PLN, BRL, and all the way down to MXN. So you can select any of your currencies here to actually change your currency. So I'm going to go the way back. And you can click on profile again. Just move your cursor to your profile picture, and you can click on this English. Okay. So once you click here, it takes you to the language option. I don't know what this is, just coming on and off, but select English. So from here, you can now switch tabs to currency. And once you switch the tab to currency, you can now change your currency from here. So that's pretty simple. This is how you can change your currency in Bitget. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.